Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to discuss about MTET Guidebook Paper 1, and here I will discuss Mathematics Set 2. And the good news is Set 1 already I solved and uploaded in the channel. If you have not watched, please go and check that video. Let's start with the first question. They ask here, a number when added to 789 gives 1000, the number is. So if they ask you this kind of question in exam, what we'll do, if two number and their addition, that means sum has given to you, and out of two number, one number has given to you and the another one they ask you to find out in the question. So what we'll do in that case, we will write their sum, what is given to us here, 1000, and then out of two number, what is given here, 789. So we will write here 789, and then what we will do, we will subtract and we will get our result. So if you see here, 10 minus 9 will be how much? So 1. Again, now it become how much? 9. 9 minus 8 is how much? So 1. Now it is 9 minus 7 is how much? That is your 2. That means if you see here, option which one? Option B is your correct option. Again, if you want, you can apply another method, that is the number which one is not given to us, we will consider that let the number be x, and then in the question they said added, that means we will give here positive sign, and the number what is given here we will write here 789, we will write here, and then it gives how much? It gives 1000, so we will write here 1000. Okay, so next step what we will do here, we will write x is equal to what we will write here. First of all, we will write here what is given here 1000, then it is your positive sign. If it changes the side, so we will write here minus sign, and we will write which one? 789, the given values. Okay, then what we will do here, x equal to, it will become how much? If you subtract, you will get 211, you will get. This method also you can simplify, but thing is that in exam time management is very important. So this rule if you follow, it will take more time. Okay, so this kind of question how we will simplify, if two number their addition has given and also out of two number one number has given to you, then we will direct what? Subtract, and we will get our result. Okay, the next question, let's see what they ask here, which number is 100 less than 1000. So 100 less than 1000 means if you subtract, how much you will get? You will get 900. From 1000 if you subtract 100, it become how much? 900. Similarly here they ask, but 50 more than how much? 850. That means you have to add here. If you add 50 and 850, how much you will get? We will get 900 again. That means here option which one? Option B is our correct option here. Next question, let's see here they ask, the smallest 3-digit number formed using digits given here 305 without repetition is which one? We have to find out here. They ask you 3-digit smallest number. Okay, and the digit given here 3, 0 and 5. The rules what we know to find out the smallest number, we are writing first of all the smallest value, and then we are continuing. If you do that, if you write 0 first here, then if you write 3, then if you write 5, it is our not 3-digit number, because 0 on the left side it has no value, it will be considered as 2-digit number. Okay, so what we will do, we will write 3 first. After that we will write 0 and then we will write 5. That means how much? 305 is our correct answer. So option which one? Option A is your correct option here. I will take one more example. Suppose 2, 7 and 5 has given to you, and they ask you to find out what? Smallest 3-digit number. So what we will do in that case, we will write which one? We will write the smallest number, that is 2 given here, and the next small which one? 5, and the next 7, that is our smallest 3-digit number. In opposite, sometime they will ask you to find out the greatest 3-digit number. So in that case what we will do, we will write the greatest number, the biggest number here we will write first, that is which one? 7. Okay, then which one? 5, and then 2. That is our what? Greatest 3-digit number. So if they ask smallest, we will start with a small digit, and if they ask greatest, then we will start with what? The greatest digit. So here option which one? Option A is our correct option. Next question number 84, if you see they ask here, a number is double and then reduced by how much? 20 to get 60, the number is. So number is what? Doubled here. So what we will do, we will write it is as 2x. Okay, and then reduce, that means we have to subtract. Reduced how much? 20. So we will write 20. then the number become how much to get it is means what equal to how much 60. So let's simplify this one. What we will do here, we will write here 2x then is equal to what 60 we will write here. This one is negative sign, changing side will become what positive sign, that means 20 we will write here. Then 2x equal to, if you simplify 60 and 20, if you add how much you will get, we will get 80, and then we can divide with 2. If you divide with 2, how much we will get 40. That means which one? Option B is our correct option here. Okay, next question number 85, what they ask here, which of the following is true here? Okay, which of the following is true here? So if you see here, they given here the sign, this sign is called what? Greater than sign, and this is called what? Less than symbol. Okay, these are the symbol given here. This is called greater than symbol, it is called what? Less than symbol. Suppose 1 I will write here and 2 I will write here, then which one will come here? It will come greater than symbol or less than symbol will come here. So here 1 is what? Less, that means less than symbol will come here. Remember one thing, this arrow sign, okay, this arrow sign will be on the side of what? Small number. Okay, this arrow side will be which side? On the side of the small number. Suppose 7 given here and 9 given here, so what we'll do here, again we will give here what? Less than symbol. That arrow side, the side of this arrow will be what? On the side of small number always. Okay, so if you see here now 345 given and 354 given, so here if you see 45 and here how much? 54. Okay, so 54 is the what? Bigger than 45. Okay, 45 is small, that means that arrow sign will be which side? This side, so it is wrong. Similarly, if you see here 43 and here it is how much? 34. 43 is what? Bigger than 34, that means that arrow sign is what? It should be this side. Okay, next 32 and here how much? 23. So 23 is small, that means it is what? The arrow will be this side. So again all three are wrong here. Let's see here 54 and here how much? 45. So you can see here the arrow marks is on the right side. Okay, that means it is correct one. So option D is your correct option. It is what? 654 is greater than 645. So option D is your correct option here. Next question number 86, they ask here, they given here 4 into t is equal to given how much? It is given 84. And in the question they ask you to find out what? The values of t. So how to find out? So it is what? T is equal to how much? 84 divided by how much? 4. As we know that if it is multiplied, okay, if it is multiplied in the left side and the value if we send to the right side, multiplication will become what? Division. Okay, so multiplication will become what? It will become division, and then if it is plus, it will become what? It will become minus. So if you divide, t is equal to how much? We will get 8 divided by 4 will be 2 times, and 4 by 4 will be how many times? 1 time. That means option C is your correct option here. Okay, so remember one thing, if it is multiplied, then if you change the side, it become division. Okay, for an example, if it is given like t plus 4 is equal to how much given? 84 given, then what we will do here? We will write t is equal to how much? 84, it is plus sign, so changing side it become minus 4. That means t equal to how much? We will get 80. So remember, if it is multiplied, then changing side will become divide, and then if it is what? Plus here, then if you change the side, it will become minus. Let's check the next question here. It is given 87. How much given here? What given here? They ask the sum of two number is 60. Okay, the sum of two number is given 60 here. One number is 25. Okay, the other is, okay, the sum, again the same question they have given here. Okay, what we solved the first one, earlier one, it is same concept. Two number has given and their sum has given how much? 60, and out of two number, one number has given how much? 25. So what I said, direct we will subtract. So 60 minus 25, if we do, we will get how much? 60 minus 25 how much? 0 minus 5, that means 10 minus 5 will be 5. It is now 5 minus 2 will be how much? 3. That means 35. Option which one? Option C is your correct option. Okay, so also what you can do, you can follow the method. The number which we do not know we will consider as x, and plus how much we will write? 25 is equal to 60 we will write, and then x is equal to how much? 60 minus 25 we will write, and then x equal to how much? That is your 35. But this is little bit time taking. I already told, if two number their sum has given to you and out of two number one number has given to you, then direct you can subtract and you will get the answer. Let's check the next question they ask here. If 300 marbles are what divided equally among how many? 6 children. So we will write here 300, then we will divide with 6. Then they ask each child gets how much marbles, they ask in the question. So let's divide here 30. 3 is a small number, so we'll take 2 digits, that is 30. 30 divided by 6, it will go how many times? 5 times, and then one more 0 left here, so we'll give here 0. That means 50. Each child will get how much? 50 marbles. So option B is the correct option here. Next question number 89, they ask here, which operation will undo multiplication, that is your division? Which one? Option C is your correct option. The last question of the day, question number 90, they ask here, which of the following is greatest? So below 4 fraction number has given to you. Out of this 4 fraction number, which one is the greatest one, they ask here. So here if you see the denominator 3, 5, 7 and 9 given, okay. So in that case, direct we cannot say which one is the greatest. Okay, first of all I will solve with a long method and then I will show you how to solve with a short trick. Okay, so to make it similar, to make it same, okay, so what we will take? We will take first of all the LCM. So 3, 5, 7 and 9. So if you take LCM here, how much we will get? With 3, that will be 1 time, that will be 5 will come as it is because we cannot divide. Then next 7 also we cannot divide, it will come as it is, and then next what? It will be 3 times. Now if you multiply 3 into 5 into 7 into 3, we will get how much? We will get 315. Okay, that means in the denominator we will make how much? We will make 315. So first one it is given 2 by 3, it is given. To make it 315, we have to multiply with how much? We have to multiply with 105. Okay, we will multiply with 105. So here also we will multiply with 105, both numerator and denominator. Now if you simplify, how much we will get? As you know that it will become how much? 315. It will become how much? 210. Okay, now next one, second one, they given here 3 by 5 they have given here. Okay, 3 by 5. So now again 5 into, okay, 5 into how much will be your 315? 5 into 63. Okay, so we will multiply both in the numerator and denominator by how much? 63. So if you simplify, in the denominator will be how much? That is your 315, and in the numerator we will get how much? 3 into 3, that will be 9, and 3 into 6 will be 18. Okay, now third one, it is given here 4 by 7 they have given here. Okay, then into, now 7 into how much will be your 315? So 7 into 45. Okay, 7 into 45. So 45 will multiply both in the numerator and denominator, and how much will get? Will get 315 here. Now 4 into 45, how much? 4 into 5 will be 20, so 0 here, and 4 into 4 will be 16, and 2 will be how much? It will be your 18. Okay, next last one, it is how much given? It is given 5 by 9 given. Okay, so 5 by 9 given. So 9 into how much will be your 315? That is your 35. So you have to multiply with 35 in both the numerator and denominator. So now it is how much? It will be your 315. Now if you multiply 5 into 5 will be 25. So in hand 2, 5 into 3, 15, and 2 will be how much? 17. So if you see now, our denominator is same, 315 for all the fraction numbers. Now if you see here, which one is the greatest one? That is 210. Okay, so 210 is the highest one here. So our option, which one? Option A is your correct option. Okay, now in short, how we will find out which fraction is the greatest one? So you have to compare numerator and denominator. So if you see here, difference between the numerator and denominator, it is how much? 1. And again here, numerator and denominator, their difference is how much? 2. And numerator and denominator, their difference is how much here? 3. And here if you see numerator and denominator, their difference is how much? 4. That means the less difference, okay, the difference will be less here. Which one? In option A. So option E will be the greatest one. So in that way we can find out within a short time. So if you like this video, please do subscribe and share with a friend. Thank you. Have a nice day.